Good.
Okay, Sundance owners, we're back at you here with a little bit more coverage on the generator. We just talked about checking the oil. We talked about the cooling, getting water to the generator so it doesn't overheat. The next item I want to talk about is one that you probably won't have to deal with often, but I want you to be aware that it's here and how to do it. And that's to turn the generator on manually. If you have a need to turn the generator on by something other than the front control panel, it's back here on this red or this white box with the red button down here. The generator generally is left in the automatic position, and that's where this toggle, which goes forward or back, is in the neutral position. That's automatic. If I push it towards the port side, it will kill the motor. It'll shut it off. So that's an off position. The next click is the automatic, and then the one over here is a manual start mode. And that's the one that you may be interested in using from time to time if you had to come back and manually start the generator. And you do that by putting it first in that position. It's all the way to the starboard side. And then you come up here and you'll see a button that says start or power. And you just push that and it'll begin to rotate the engine and should fire up electronically. It's got electronic fuel injection, electronic ignition, should be pretty seamless. If it doesn't fire, it may give you some type of a U code in this red display here that's not powered up at this moment. That code can then be deciphered by down through here, and that's the information that you would want to send to me if you had a problem. I will ask you what is the U code on the generator, and then to find that information you'd have to come back here, open up the hatch, step down the stairs, and physically look at it when it's powered on. Come into the manual mode, and it'll immediately light this up. We have no power back here right now because they've been working on the boat, so I can't illustrate it in a position that I'd like to. So again, when it's in manual mode, you cannot start it up front. You have to come back here and central that toggle switch to put it into a neutral position, and then it can be started back up front by the power station, by the front helm. Okay, that's it on the generator. We're going to take a pause.